Ever wondered how your favorite electronic devices work? How the invisible world of electrons powers everything from your refrigerator to your smartphone? Welcome to our journey into the fascinating world of basic electronics. Imagine a bustling city with streets full of cars. This is similar to an electronic circuit, with the cars representing electrons. Now think of a resistor as a traffic jam, slowing down the flow of cars, or, in our case, electrons. Resistors come in various shapes and sizes. Their resistance measured in a unit called ohms. To grasp how resistors work, you need to understand Ohm's law. This law states that the current flowing through a conductor between 2 points is directly proportional to the voltage across those 2 points. The higher the voltage, the more the current, and the resistor is there to control this current. Next on our journey, we encounter capacitors. Think of capacitors as tiny rechargeable batteries. They store and release electrical energy, charging and discharging as needed. Capacitors play a significant role in filters, oscillators, and power supplies, storing energy temporarily for later use. Now imagine a one-way street. This is what a diode is in the world of electronics. Diodes are semiconductor devices that allow current to flow in one direction only, acting as an electronic check valve. They're instrumental in signal modulation, rectification, and voltage regulation. Having explored these components, imagine putting them together into a simple circuit. Picture a power source, a resistor, an LED, and a switch. When the switch closes, electrons flow from the power source through the resistor, which limits the current, and then through the LED, making it light up. Before we go any further, let's talk about safety. Working with electronics requires caution. Always ensure the power is off before touching any components. Avoid working with live circuits unless you're experienced, and always double-check connections to prevent hazards. Today we've journeyed through the world of basic electronics. We've met resistors, capacitors, and diodes, and even built a simple circuit. The world of electronics is vast and exciting, but understanding these basics is the first step towards mastering it. Thank you for embarking on this journey with us today. Stay curious, keep learning, and remember, the world of electronics is waiting for you to explore. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting adventures in electronics and DIY projects. Until next time, happy experimenting.